Is your air conditioner not living up to its usual performance? Is your home still uncomfortably warm and sticky even with the AC running? Have you noticed your energy bills soaring to new heights? Are you torn between fixing or replacing your air conditioner? If you've nodded along to some of these questions, it might be time to consider upgrading to a new air conditioner. Hello, I'm Bonny Johnson from Golden Rule. We've installed thousands of air conditioning units over the years, and we understand that replacing your air conditioner can be pretty daunting. In this video, we'll address the following questions, which are some of the most frequently asked questions when it comes to air conditioner replacement. Who should think about getting a new air conditioner? Should you repair or replace your air conditioner? What are the benefits of replacing your air conditioner? How much does it cost to install a new air conditioner? And finally, what should you do next? By the end of this video, we aim to have answered all your queries and set you on the path to finding the perfect air conditioner for your home and comfort needs. Deciding whether you need an air conditioner or if your current one can hang in a bit longer can be tricky. A tune-up or repair might suffice if your current system is still under warranty. But if your system has seen better days or requires substantial repairs, opting for a replacement may be the smarter financial choice. Here are some signs that it might be time to replace your air conditioner. You've noticed a spike in your energy bills or a drop in your comfort levels. Your air conditioner has been around for over a decade. You plan on staying in your home long term, and you want to maximize comfort while minimizing your energy costs. If any of these scenarios sound familiar, it's time to consider a new air conditioner. Most air conditioners can last at least a decade or more if they're well maintained. However, like any machinery, they can break down and require expensive repairs. Replacing your air conditioner might make more sense when repairs become prohibitively costly. An air conditioner has various components. If certain ones fail, the repair cost can increase. For example, replacing the compressor could set you back $3,500 or more. If the evaporator needs replacing, you might be looking at around $2,500. The cost could be similar if the entire condenser needs to be replaced. Smaller components like the electrical system can range from $400 to $1,000 for repairs. Lastly, consider the type of refrigerant your system uses. Replacing the refrigerant can be very costly if it relies on an older refrigerant like R22 or Freon, which is no longer produced due to environmental concerns. Investing in a new air conditioner comes with numerous benefits, including reduced stress compared to dealing with an old, unreliable system, enhanced energy efficiency leading to lower utility bills, a more comfortable living space, and of course long-term warranty coverage. Also, quieter operation, among other advantages. Understanding these benefits can help you make an informed decision. The precise cost of an air conditioner installation can only be determined through in-home estimate with an experienced professional. During this estimate, we'll assess your home and calculate the right size air conditioner for your needs. Now, numerous factors influence the cost of installing a new air conditioner, such as the unit's size and cooling capacity, its SEER rating, which is an energy efficiency rating, and additional accessories that might be needed. Labor costs, of course, are involved, and any necessary permits and other expenses. Your estimate might fall into one of these three categories. An entry-level air conditioner, those air conditioners range from $6,000 to $7,000. Mid-range air conditioners, those options typically fall between $7,000 and $8,000. And high-end models, they generally average around $10,000. At Golden Rule, all of our estimates include equipment costs, labor charges, and any additional fees. Installing a new air conditioner isn't a decision to take lightly. It does represent a significant financial investment and can impact your home's indoor comfort for the next decade or more. If you'd like to learn more, we are always here and happy to help, and thanks for watching.